morning. My name is Sonkita Conteh, and I work with a legal empowerment organization called Namati in Sierra Leone. I am privileged and happy to be here this morning to talk very quickly about the national approach to primary justice provision that we piloted in Sierra Leone with the help of the Open Society Justice Initiative, the World Bank, the government of Sierra Leone, and a number of local non-governmental organizations in the country. The first slide asks the question, why paralegals and why scale up? Some of you may be aware that since from 1992 to 2002, we had a devastating civil war in the country that killed over 60,000 individuals and led to the destruction of systems in the country. There were courts that were destroyed, police stations that were burned down, there were properties destroyed, and a significant portion of the population left the country, including professionals. And after the war was declared ended in 2002, we began to take stock and found that there were significant challenges in rebuilding our systems. For example, at the time we had a very small number of lawyers, and none of them were prepared to go into the provinces to provide services. We had the population that was dispersed over many areas within the country. We had a significant number of the population not being able to access the formal justice systems. And so these factors mitigated against the provision of effective access to justice services. And there was need for people to think about what kinds of services that could develop to bridge the gap that we were facing post-conflict. Now, a couple of points I'd like to make about our system. Apart from the effects of the war, Sierra Leone also has a dualist legal system that twins an English-type system, which is based on the colonial history that we had, plus a traditional system that is largely based on the customs and traditions of 15 to 17 ethnic groups. Now, these two systems developed on different routes, and there was no scope for them to relate. So if you use one system, you have to go through entirely with it, and at some point you may move to the English legal system. And the dichotomy was also that in the cities we had the English legal system operating, and in rural areas where the bulk of the population resided, we had customary systems or traditional structures. And some indications from the government showed that about 70% of the people in the country had access to the customary systems and not to the formal systems. Another background information was that, apart from the fact that there were small numbers of lawyers in the country, most of them were in the city. Over 98% of them were in the city. No one wanted to go to the provinces, and they were quite costly. People could not afford them, their fees and their whatever. Additionally, the traditional systems also had some challenges. Now, it was not woman-friendly, as some people would put it. It was essentially a system manned by men and old men, and it was found out that there were no guarantees of fair hearing or rights for women. So these difficulties, these challenges led to people thinking out of the box to develop systems that could respond to these particular needs in the country. And this was what led us to experiment with paralegals. In 2003, a local organization called Team Up for Justice began to experiment with community-based paralegals, which essentially was a front line of people who are not lawyers, but they are trained on basic law and service provision to provide services in rural areas. Now, after the experiment of Team Up for Justice, which had paralegals in rural areas providing conflict resolution services through mediation and organizing, the successes that it stacked up led individuals who were concerned about legal empowerment to begin to think about scaling up that particular model of primary justice service provision to the rest of the country. Because we are seeing tremendous results of paralegals were garnering in the rural areas. And so in 2009, Open Society Justice Initiative set up some funds for scaling up of paralegal services. Essentially, it was about increasing the coverage of paralegals and getting governments to recognize paralegals as primary justice service providers. Now, when we scaled up, we were able to provide paralegal services in 33 locations in the country. Now, this is a map of Sierra Leone divided into what we call chiefdoms. Chiefdoms are the basic administrative units in the country. And so the areas where we had blue are all serviced by community-based paralegals in the country. And as you can see, we still have quite a bit of a way to go to providing services for the entire country. Now, some of the services that they provided mediation, education services, community organizing. They tackled conflicts within communities that could either be domestic violence, it could also relate to land disputes. The paralegals also tackled issues between citizens and government officials. So there were issues of corruption and service provision as well. And so we find paralegals being the port of call for people who are not satisfied with essential services like health or education services in the country. So they dealt with all these kinds of issues. And they also did some criminal justice work at police stations and prisons to help decongest the detention facilities. Now, these are pictures of paralegals brokering health compacts in communities. They work with community people and local health service providers to identify problems that affect the health of communities and to find common solutions within the communities, because government institutions could not respond adequately to the health needs of community people. Here is a picture of a paralegal collecting data from the center. I will stop here because of time, and I will respond to questions. Thank you.